my fifth video on matrices. Now the next concept is transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. The definition is, if A, capital A, is any M cross N matrix, any M cross N matrix, if A is any M cross N matrix, then interchanging the rows and columns of matrix A, interchanging the rows and columns of matrix A is called the transpose of A, is called the transpose of matrix A, and transpose of A is denoted by A power T or A dash, A power 1. Transpose of A is denoted by A power T or A dash. So here A is any M cross N matrix, then interchanging the rows and columns of matrix A is called a transpose of A. For example, if A is equal to 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 0, then A transpose is, if A is equal to 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 0. Here transpose means interchanging the rows and columns. Interchanging the rows and columns is called a transpose. So here A is equal to 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 0, which is a 2 cross 3 matrix. Then A transpose or A dash. A transpose or A dash is equal to, interchanging the rows and columns means first row will be first column, next second row in second column, 3, 2, 0, which is a 3 cross 2 matrix. This is a transpose of given matrix. For example on transpose. Now the next example is, if A is equal to matrix, if A is equal to 2 minus 1 2, 1 3 minus 4, and B matrix, B is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 3 0 5 4, 1 minus 2 minus 3 0 5 4, then AB whole dash or AB transpose is equal to B dash into A dash. Solution is, here AB, two matrices are given. We have to prove AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose, or AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. First we take LHS, we have to prove RHS. First take LHS part here. LHS is AB whole dash. To prove AB whole dash, first we have to find the AB. A into B. A matrix is 2 minus 1 2, 1 3 minus 4 into B matrix is 1 minus 2 minus 3 0 5 4. Here the order of first matrix is 2 cross 3 and order of second matrix is 3 cross 2. 3 rows and 2 columns here. The condition for multiplication of two matrices is number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. 3 is equal to 3. We will get a 2 by 2 matrix. Now multiplication is first row by first column, 2 into 1 plus minus 1 into minus 3, 2 into 1 minus 1 into minus 3 plus 2 into 5, and first row by second column, 2 into minus 2 plus minus 1 into 0 plus 2 into 4. Again second row by first column, 1 into 1 plus 3 into minus 3 plus minus 4 into 5. Second row by second column. 1 into minus 2 plus 3 into 0 plus minus 4 into 4, which is equal to 2 into 1 2, minus of minus plus 3 plus 10. Here minus 4 0 plus 8. Here 1 minus 9 minus 20 minus 2 plus 0 minus 16, which is equal to 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 10 15, minus 4 plus 8 4, 1 minus 9 minus 8 minus 8 minus 20 minus 28, minus 2 minus 16 minus 18. This is the value of AB, A into B. Now here LHS is AB whole dash. It's nothing but AB whole transpose. The transpose means interchanging the rows and columns. Interchanging the rows and columns. First row will be first column. I am writing first, second row is in second column. Minus 28 minus 18. 15 minus 28, 4 minus 8. Let us suppose it's equation 1. Here we will get a 2 cross 2 matrix. Here we got a 2 cross 2 matrix. Next we have to find a RHS. Take RHS. Here RHS is B transpose into A transpose. RHS. For RHS we have to find A dash and B dash. From A matrix, from A matrix, A transpose or A dash is first row, B first column, 2 minus 1 2. Second row in second column, 1 3 minus 4. First from matrix B, B complement or B dash. First row is 1 minus 2 first column, minus 3 0, 5 4. Third row is in third column, which is a 2 by 2 matrix. 3 rows, 2 columns. Here A dash is a 3 by 2 matrix. Here B dash 2 cross 3. Now RHS. RHS B dash into A dash is equal to, here B dash is 1 minus 3 5 minus 2 0 4 into 2 1 minus 1 3 2 minus 4, which is equal to, here 2 by 3, here 3 by 2. Here number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. Here also we will get a 2 by 2 matrix, which is equal to multiplication of 2 matrix here, 1 into 2 first row by first column, 1 into 2 plus minus 3 into minus 1 plus 5 into 2, and first row by second column, 1 into 1 plus minus 3 into 3 plus 5 into minus 4, minus 2 into 2 plus 0 into minus 1 plus 4 into 2, minus 2 into 1 plus 0 into 3 plus 4 into minus 4, which is equal to, here 2 plus 3 plus 10. Next 1 minus 9 minus 20. Here minus 4 plus 0 plus 8. Minus 2 plus 0 minus 16, which is equal to 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 10 15. Here minus 8 minus 20 minus 28. 8 minus 4 4. Minus 2 plus 0 minus 2. Minus 2 minus 16 minus 18. Therefore B dash into A dash is equal to 15 minus 28 4 minus 18. Let us suppose this equation 2. From equation 1, 15 minus 28 4 minus 18. That both are equal now. Now from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2, AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. Hence proved. important for 4 marks.